getting off or not? No directional. No fucking headlights. What a douchebag, man. The bitch on the phone. Unbelievable. Look at this fucking guy. Tractor trailer coming up. Holy fuck. This guy's flying too, buddy. In the left lane, passing everybody up. Oh, there we go. It's gonna be good. It's a fucking Mack. Holy fuck, dude. I got a tree limb in front of me and a tractor trailer coming on. Holy fuck. Fucking clown, dude? Are you fucking shitting me? A fucking clown cut me off? Motherfucker. Look at this fucking clown, dude. Goddamn clown. Goddamn clown. Car off in the ditch. Everybody drives like a fucking douchebag. Here's another one. Here's another one. Out in the field. Out in the median. Picture of this. There it is. Off the highway, out into the median. Somebody else over here pulling over. He's fucked. You're a fucking douchebag!